If you're in enterprise sales, there's no quicker way to access product and solution content than through Witty Parrot. Just click on this little tab on your desktop and you get the Witty widget. It's cloud connected and it gives you immediate access to all kinds of product and solution content. For example, let's say you're looking for a data sheet. You just click on the width that you want, double click, and you've got the resource. You can also easily reuse content. For example, let's say you get a request over chat. What languages does Oracle Sales Cloud support? I can just use the search feature, type in languages, get back the WIT, and then I can do a sub-select from within the WIT and drag and drop that into any application, in this case, the chat window. While the widget is really easy to use, sometimes you're going to be in other applications. For example, let's say you're working within Oracle Sales Cloud. You'd like that same product and solution information to be available to you in context based on what you're doing. Witty Parrot will read the unique values within the sales opportunity. For example, the sales method, the sales stage, who the buyer is, what product is being sold, and so forth. And then there's a special tab here called Witty Parrot. If you click on that tab, we have deep integration with Oracle Sales Cloud where we'll read the opportunity and then reach into the Witty Parrot repository and dynamically display the most relevant information for the seller. So here, for example, you can see a number of pieces of collateral and other sales materials. For example, a brochure. That same brochure that we saw in the widget is accessible here directly through Oracle Sales Cloud. Now we can also set up dynamic communications directly within these WITs. So I can click here and then put in the customer's name, their company name, follow up with them on Thursday, put in your name, and then it's automatically filled in those values in this communication. This is a branded, personalized communication that includes the piece of collateral. When I send that out, it's actually going to track this within the activity log in Oracle Sales Cloud. So this is a great way to save time and also provide sellers with the latest collateral and information, but most importantly, it's information that shows up at the right stage in the sales cycle. Let's say I change the sales cycle stage. I'll move this to Building Vision, save that, then go back to Witty Parrot. Now this is information that's more relevant later in the sales cycle. For example, a case study, which I can send to my customer, or maybe it's a video on why customers choose Oracle Sales Cloud. Users also have complete access to the full repository. For example, if you remember that WIT I searched for before on languages, if I just have a question, what languages are supported, I have complete access to that information. So in a nutshell, Witty Parrot is perfect for organizations looking to provide the most relevant information to sellers based on the unique situation without having to leave Oracle Sales Cloud. Thank you very much.